friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and are enjoying this lovely long holiday break between Christmas and New Year's. I'm just popping in very quickly today to give you a sneak peek of the paper collection that we will be working with in January. Our theme for January is Cozy Kitchen, and I am just so excited about this paper that I found. This is Prima, the Three Girls Tales. This is the Home Baker, and this is the most adorable paper collection I've seen in a long time. I love the color palette with the soft blue, gray, sagey greens and beiges, and look at these little mice. This is the 6x6. The back side of each page looks like a vintage recipe book. You're going to get I think you get 4 of each sheet, and there are 6 different designs. Look at this darling little mouse in her kitchen with this great vintage tile. Here's more really sweet, these are like newspaper advertisements. And then these mice are just too cute with their little pinafores, beautiful florals. I love the stripe. The back of this one is just a really gorgeous floral stripe. And then this one is a beige tile with this little mouse and the mason jars. And the mason jars are a theme throughout this collection. Beautiful tile background. And then here's our little chef in her chef's cap and her little vintage. It looks like a European kitchen, doesn't it? It's so cool. And then this is just a beautiful all over floral cluster. And here's another little chef with a mason jar. This one has a striped enamel pot. Beautiful little, these 6x6 are card fronts all by themselves. They're just amazing. And then the back of this one is this beautiful collage sheet. So that's the 6x6. You also get these little fussy cuts, which are great because you can create your own ephemera. And then I also got the 12x12 because I wanted some of the larger sizes for home decor items. And who knows, we might even make a recipe album. But look at these mice. I can't even. And the mason jars, the vintage recipe book. These are a great size for fussy cutting too. They're not too hard on your hands. So that's the inside cover. And of course, these patterns are reflective of the 6x6. You get 2 of each sheet. You can see the details so much better in this. It's just a charming, really charming paper collection. So I'll just give you a quick look through so you can see these larger images. Here she is with cookies. I love this hutch. Beautiful floral. This sweet little bread baker. I'm partial to this because I bake sourdough myself. I'm either in the laundry room, the studio, or the kitchen, folks. That's kind of where I live these days, or taking care of my grandchildren. That's kind of where I live these days. Beautiful floral clusters, easy to fussy cut. These guys, you could just nip in and cut these out and use them as pop-ups or card focals. I loved the sizes of the images in this 12x12, which is why I purchased it as well as the 6x6. And then again, more fantastic cut-aparts on the back, inside the back cover. To go with this, because I love this collection, I went ahead and got the 3x4 journaling note cards, which are precious. And you get 3 each of 15 different designs. And again, these make great card focals. You can use the back side for background pieces, but just look how beautiful these are. I love these. Great mixer. That looks just like the mixer I have in my kitchen. Precious little mice. I love the mason jars. Vintage mason jars. So good. Little homemade cupcake recipe. A conversion chart here. Beautiful mason jar image. I mean, there's just so much you can do with this. Little sentiment card. and another conversion chart in a different color palette. Our little bakers with a cookie recipe. It's hard to be sad when you're eating a cookie. And then this just really precious rolling pin image. So these are darling. There's also a 4x6, which I like the size of these, and these are all recipe cards. So how fun is that, that you make a card or a tag or even an album? These are perfect. And I'll use these in my kitchen just as they are. I'm always sharing recipes with my granddaughters. And then I just want to show you the tags. These are either shaped like cupcakes with really cute little images on them, or they're shaped like mason jars. So these are precious and a great little addition, tuck in pockets, things like that. And then, oh, and look, even the artwork inside is stunning. So you could easily use this as a base for a tag. Here is the artwork on this one. Just so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And these are the ephemera pieces, which I love. You've got oven mitts, little cubbies, the mixer, wooden spoons, cookbooks. These are just really charming. There's also a floral ephemera, which I did not get. And then there are stickers, which I did not get, but look at this sweet little apron. So lots of wonderful little embellishments to really elevate any design. So this is what we will be working with in January, our cozy kitchen theme. I'm changing things up a little bit in 2025. We're still going to have our tag of the month. Our banner of the month grew in popularity throughout 2024, so I'm going to continue with that. We're also going to continue doing our card of the month with Graphic 45's beautiful Season to Celebrate. And who knows, we might do two. We might do one with this and one with that. And then the fourth Wednesday of the month is going to be a throwback project where I'll stick to the theme. Like this theme is Cozy Kitchen, but I'll use an older retired collection from my stash. Several of you mentioned that you really missed the Throwback Thursday posts. So I'm going to bring those back. And if there's a fifth Wednesday, we'll do a home decor project. A lot of you mentioned on my YouTube channel that you really wish that I would do more home decor. So I'm going to try to honor that request and bring those in on the fifth Wednesdays of the month. So that's a little overview for January 2025. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this theme. I'm excited about all these sweet little mice, and January is the perfect time to find yourself in the kitchen, keeping things warm and cozy. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this collection. I will post links below where you can purchase it. It's still readily available pretty much everywhere. So I'll put links in the description box below this video. And I'll see ya on New Year's Day with our tag of the month tutorial. That's just a couple days away. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Go get your craft on. Happy New Year. Bye.